Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Let's dive into a revolutionary mirrorless powerhouse that's shaking up the world of photography and filmmaking, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. This doesn't feel like a typical refresh, it's a bold statement from Canon, showing they're ready to duke it out with the highest-end hybrid mirrorless rigs on the market. From a completely redesigned sensor to cutting-edge AI-driven tech, everything about this release hints at a camera poised to redefine the game for creators who need both incredible stills and video performance. Canon's latest isn't just an upgrade, it's a ground-up overhaul. If you're looking for Canon's next big move in full-frame mirrorless, this could be the one. Before we get into why this is such a turning point, let's set the scene. Canon's current mirrorless lineup spans from our flagship R1, designed for peak speed and resolution, to the specialist R3 focused on fast-action sports with a stacked sensor at 24 MP. Then comes the R5 Mark II, known for its balanced mix of high-resolution, pro-level video, and blazing fast autofocus. On the entry-level side, cameras like the R8 and R50 cater to beginners and budget filmmakers. And nestled in the center is the dependable R6 series, the all-around beast beloved by wedding photographers, YouTubers, and hybrid shooters alike. That's the sweet spot where the new R6 Mark III lands. This line is all about versatility, solid speed, top-tier IBIS, and ultra-reliable autofocus, without costing a fortune. The original R6 and R6 Mark II have dominated this space. Now, with the Mark III looming, the hype is real. Stacked sensor evolution. The big news? A 30 to 32 MP stacked CMOS sensor is rumored to debut in the R6 Mark III. This leap over the previous 20 MP sensor isn't just about more resolution, it's about unlocking serious performance gains. A stacked sensor structure significantly accelerates readout speeds, slashing rolling shutter, enabling insane burst rates, and turbocharging autofocus speed and accuracy. That kind of technology puts Canon directly in competition with Sony's Alpha line, offering a massive advantage for creators who shoot both high-res stills and dynamic video. From wildlife and sports to unpredictable street scenarios, this sensor ensures sharper captures and faster focus, with less lag or distortion. Early specs suggest 4K at 60 frames per second is the baseline video mode, with a buttery 120 frames per second slow-motion 4K in 10-bit internal recording, likely paired with Canon Log 3 and fast CFE Type B plus SD UHS-2 slots. This setup gives creators a professional toolset and a well-rounded hybrid camera, thermals and recording freedom. Canon has clearly listened to feedback on overheating issues, limited recording times, and missing internal 10-bit capture from prior models. The R6 Mark III is expected to address all these, especially with uninterrupted 4K 60p capturing. If it truly delivers thermal stability without cropping, this could be the new gold standard in hybrid full-frame mirrorless. For vloggers, filmmakers, YouTube creators, even if you're switching between portrait shoots and cinematic scenes, this camera could check every box: performance, speed, reliability, and all wrapped in one versatile body. Smart pricing and market position. The estimated price is just under $3,000, a bump from the R6 Mark II's $2,500 launch, but understandable given the new tech. It remains more affordable than the R5 Mark II while delivering near-flagship specs. For creators wanting pro-level power without flagship wallet impact, the R6 Mark III could be unrivaled in value. Interface upgrades and ergonomics. Canon is also bringing UI and usability upgrades, a new high-resolution EVF, likely with faster refresh and color fidelity, ideal for precision focus and low-light shooting. A 4-axis articulating screen, not just tilting but swiveling, enabling intuitive framing angles for handheld vlogs, run-and-gun shoots, or low-to-the-ground content creation. These enhancements elevate the user experience, focusing on real-world usability, not just raw numbers. AI autofocus boosts the guts of this beast? The rumored dual-chip setup, Digic X Plus accelerator. That means faster processing and smarter performance. Imagine advanced AI noise reduction at high ISO, lightning-fast subject detection for humans, animals, vehicles, even birds, and smarter real-time adjustment for white balance, exposure, and tracking. This intelligence frees you up to focus on your shot, story, or framing, no menu diving required. Steady shots with Pro IBIS. Canon is rumored to push IBIS to a staggering 8.5 stops, rivaling gimbal-like stability. That translates to smoother low-light stills, shake-free handheld 4K, and ultra-stable filmmaking, with minimal post-stabilization. Photo or video, this IBIS upgrade widens creative possibilities, autofocus and burst performance. Expect dual-pixel CMOS AF2, upgraded tracking inherited from the R5 Mark II, with face, eye, and full subject recognition, powered by that fast stacked sensor. Electronic shutter burst rates could climb to 30 frames per second, previously only seen in pro-tier bodies. That makes it excellent for action photography, sports, wildlife, or fast-paced environments. Cooling considerations, but there's one unknown: heat management. Stacked sensors and 4K 120p create heat, and rumors suggest Canon won't embed an internal fan. Instead, Canon may offer an optional cooling grip accessory, similar to what happened with the R5 Mark II. This preserves the base model's portability and affordability while giving pros the modular cooling they need for extended shoots. Build quality and connectivity: Canon sticks to its proven magnesium alloy, weather-sealed design, ideal for travel, outdoor, event shooting. Power remains through the reliable LPE6NH battery. Connectivity includes full-size HDMI, USB-C, mic/headphone jacks, USB for charging, dual memory slots, covering every input/output a content creator could ask for. Industry insights and rumors: recent rumors from Canon rumors suggest the R6 Mark III will land 30 to 32 MP sensor, new EVF, and 4-axis screen, with pricing just under $3,000. Meanwhile, TechRadar confirms Canon plans to announce an improved R6-inch lineup in early 2025, citing new flip screen design and advanced video specs. Across Reddit threads, some users remain cautious: "I'll believe it when I see it. Canon rumors just aren't all that accurate." Reddit. Meanwhile, others explain waiting for the R6 Mark III could be wise, but the current R6 Mark II remains a strong performer. Hybrid photographers: is it worth the wait? For stills shooters, the extra megapixels and sensor precision unlock finer cropping and larger print potential. Video creators benefit from thermal-safe 4K 60/120p 10-bit internal recording. Action and wildlife photographers get speedy bursts and high-accuracy tracking. Travel and vlogging creators love the stabilized IBIS, flip-out screen, and solid build, all in a manageable form factor. Alternatives and buying perspective: if you already own an R6 Mark II, selling or keeping it depends on your need for more resolution or video power. Prices may drop post-launch. If you're switching from older DSLR or higher-end APS-C, the R6 Mark II is still excellent. But if you're primarily a hybrid creator, waiting for the Mark III might save money in the long run. Unlike the pricier R5 Mark II or R1, the R6 Mark III targets prosumers aiming for pro-grade specs with mainstream affordability. Release outlook: Canon is expected to unveil the R6 Mark III and R7 Mark II by end of August or early Q4 2025. History suggests shipping and widespread availability will follow within 4 to 8 weeks, although limited initial stock is common. Final take: the Canon EOS R6 Mark III looks to be a hybrid mirrorless legend, featuring a stacked sensor, advanced IBIS, Pro Video Suite, AI autofocus, and ergonomic updates, all in a rugged, future-proof build. If you're building a content creation kit with stills and cinema chops, this might be the camera to set your workflow on fire.